Happy Holi Festival. Holi Festival is often referred to as the Festival of Colors or the Festival of Love. It holds both cultural and spiritual significance in Indian traditions. The Holi festival symbolizes 1. The victory of good over evil. The history of Holi is deeply rooted in Indian mythology and carries themes of the triumph of good over evil, the legend of Prahlad and Holika. 2. The arrival of spring. It marks the end of winter and celebrates the blooming of new life and vitality. So, celebrated as Basant Panchami. 3. Equality and unity. Holi festival brings people together, breaking barriers of caste, religion, and social status, and fostering a sense of community. 4. Forgiveness and renewal. It's a time to let go of past grievances, mend relationships, and embrace fresh beginnings. Holi celebrations start with a bonfire event on the evening of Holi festival day, on the day of full moon Falgun Masa of Hindu calendar or before 15 days of New Year of Hindu's calendar, that is start of Chaitra Masa, called as Holika Dahan. People gather to perform rituals, sing, and dance around the bonfire. The following day and up to 5 days color festival will be celebrated, and the 5th day called as Rang Panchami. Origin of Holi festival. 1. The legend of Prahlad and Holika. The most famous story behind Holi festival is that of Holika and Prahlad's story. Prahlad's a devotee of Lord Narayana Vishnu, and his father is King Hiranyakashipu. The king, who considered himself a god, was infuriated by his son's devotion to Vishnu. To punish Prahlad, Hiranyakashipu followed many punishments, but Prahlad was saved from all and one day sought the help of his sister, Holika. She had a magical boon that made her immune to fire. Holika tricked Prahlad into sitting on her lap on a burning pyre, expecting him to perish. But, due to Prahlad's unwavering faith in Lord Vishnu, Holika herself was burned to ashes, and Prahlad emerged unharmed. This story symbolizes the victory of good over evil. The Holika Dahan bonfire ritual commemorates this event. 2. The playful love of Radha and Krishna. Another popular legend connects Holi festival with Lord Krishna and Radha. Krishna, known for his mischievous nature, was conscious of his dark complexion compared to Radha's fair skin. To address this, Krishna playfully smeared colors on Radha and her friends. This playful act became a tradition that celebrates love, joy, and equality, forming the basis of the vibrant color splashing during Holi. 3. Kamdeva's sacrifice. In southern India, Holi is also associated with the story of Kamdeva, the god of love. According to legend, Kamdeva disrupted Lord Shiva's meditation to bring him back to the worldly realm, but Shiva burned him to ashes in anger. Later, Kamdeva was revived, and Holi festival celebrates his sacrifice and rebirth, symbolizing love and renewal. What is Holi's significance in current society? In current society, Holi festival continues to hold great significance, evolving beyond its traditional roots while still retaining its cultural and symbolic essence. Below are a few ways points. 1. Celebration of unity and diversity. Holi festival transcends boundaries of caste, religion, and social status, making it a festival of togetherness. In a world often divided by differences, Holi acts as a reminder of the importance of unity and shared joy. 2. Symbol of renewal and optimism. Holi's themes of the triumph of good over evil and the arrival of spring reflect ideas of hope, renewal, and new beginnings. It encourages individuals to let go of grudges and embrace forgiveness, fostering healthier relationships. 3. Cultural preservation. For many, Holi serves as a way to stay connected to Indian heritage and traditions. It offers an opportunity to pass down stories, rituals, and values to younger generations in a fun and engaging way. 4. Stress relief and joy. Amid the fast-paced and often stressful modern lifestyle, Holi festival provides a chance for people to unwind, play, and experience pure joy. The playful throwing of colors and the lively atmosphere bring communities together in a carefree celebration. Holi's adaptability to the present-day context showcases its enduring relevance. It reminds us of the need for harmony, positivity, and celebration in our daily lives. How does Holi festival promote social harmony and community bonding? 1. Breaking barriers. Holi transcends social distinctions such as caste, religion, and economic status. During the festival, people from all walks of life come together to celebrate as equals, creating a sense of unity and collective joy. 2. Fostering forgiveness. The festival encourages people to let go of grudges, resolve conflicts, and start afresh. Applying colors on each other becomes a symbolic act of burying the past and embracing harmony. 3. Strengthening relationships. Through playful interactions, shared meals, and group festivities, Holi strengthens the bonds between friends, families, and neighbors. It creates a platform for meaningful social engagement. 4. Community activities. From organizing Holika Dahan bonfires to preparing festive sweets together, the collaborative nature of Holi activities promotes teamwork and a sense of belonging within communities. 5. Cultural integration. In an increasingly globalized world, Holi serves as a cultural bridge. People from diverse backgrounds participate in Holi celebrations, fostering mutual appreciation and understanding. 6. Joyful expression. The festival's emphasis on carefree fun and vibrant colors uplifts spirits and spreads positivity, creating a lively atmosphere that brings people closer. Holi's core message of love, equality, and renewal makes it a powerful medium for building stronger, more harmonious communities. How Holi festival celebrated in different regions of India. Northern India. In Mathura and Vrindavan of Uttar Pradesh, these places are famous for their grand Holi celebrations. The festivities start a week before the main event, with rituals like Latmar Holi in Barsana, where women playfully beat men with sticks, recreating the playful legends of Lord Krishna and Radha. Delhi, the capital, witnesses a lively blend of modern and traditional Holi. Friends and families gather for colorful parties with music, dancing, and delicious food. Western India. In Rajasthan, in cities like Jaipur and Udaipur, Holi is celebrated with royal elegance. The Udaipur City Palace hosts grand cultural events, while folk songs and dances add a traditional touch. In Goa, known as Shigmo, Goan Holi has vibrant parades and cultural performances, blending Hindu traditions with the state's unique coastal charm. Eastern India. In West Bengal, Dol Jatra is how Holi is celebrated here, particularly in Shantiniketan. Inspired by Rabindranath Tagore, the festival includes cultural programs, music, and dance along with the throwing of colors. In Bihar, people apply colors to one another and enjoy kantai, often flavored with bhang. Traditional folk songs add to the joy. Southern India. In Karnataka, in coastal regions like Mangalore, The festivities focus on devotion and community bonding. Temples organize processions, and folk dances add a unique charm. In Tamil Nadu, celebrated as Panguni Uthiram, Holi is observed with a more subdued focus on rituals and offerings in temples.
उमंगों की होली हम मस्तों की टोली आज खेलेंगे